Good evening, everyone. My name is Nitin, and we are going to see some information about share market. Some of the people are trying to connect with us right now, so we will wait for them for a while, and after that, we will start our session. The topic is introduction to share market or introduction to Indian share market. So all of our friends will get connected to us. Before 2 to 3 days, we have arranged one seminar in Marathi language. So many people are interested to get known about the share market. There is lots of curiosity in people, so that we have arranged webinars in 3 languages. Right now we are here for a seminar or webinar in English language. At 8 p.m. we will try to take seminar in Marathi language also. So those people are having some difficulties with English language, they can attend our 8 p.m. seminar in Marathi language also. From today, we will arrange the same type of seminar or webinar at the same timing every day at 6 p.m. So, and every day we will arrange it in a different language. Suppose we are taking webinar today in English language, from tomorrow we will take it in Marathi language or Hindi language also. So the reason behind this, the people who are attending this webinar all are from different regions of India and out of India also. So that we are going to arrange a webinar in Hindi, Marathi and English languages. Actually friends, before 2 to 3 days ago, I have arranged a webinar in Marathi language, and I told that from next day we will arrange a seminar in we will get known about all the things related to share market today. So we will start now. Many of our friends are live and attending our webinar. Some of friends will watch this live after in a offline format, so that there is no problem. Now we will start our topic. First point is, what is mean by share, or what is the concept of share market. Share is a part of authentication or as a property of a company, which part we are taking by giving some amount of money to the company. Means that we will give some money to company to purchase a share from that particular company which is registered in Indian share market or international share market. So when we will purchase that share, we will become authenticate person of that company or property of that company. We will be the part of that company. So why these type of shares are coming in share market, means why companies are getting registered on share market, why they are launching their IPOs and other things. What is the basic reason? Because friends, I will told you directly that what is the technical analysis, how we are able to read a chart or other things. But sometime what happen, these things are necessary, but if we will not take a deep knowledge or starting knowledge of a share market, then we are not able to handle the situation during making any trade in a share market. Sometimes we will get trapped in any trade. So we are able to understand what to do, or we have to exit by losing 1 to 2% of our amount, or hold that share for a particular time to get more benefit after recovery in that particular company. So we have to see basic first, then our decision power will become strong, and we will do trading in better way. So, and we have seen that we have to get admission first in the first standard, then second standard, then third standard, and one by one, that after 10th standard, 12th standard, degree, post graduation and PhD and so on. So nobody is going directly in a metric or HSC or in a degree level. So we have to start from first standard, because we are unable to get that decision power if we will take jump from first step to 10th step. So we have to learn everything step by step. So why we are taking this basic knowledge of share market? Because we have to make our decision power strong. In share market there are 2 ways, earning way and losing way. So there is no excuse to knowledge. Everyone should get knowledge, pure knowledge of this sector, and then after that he must become a trader. We will see why these companies are registering, why they are launching their IPOs and those things, why they are doing these such things. So companies, sometimes what we can say, there are some natural disasters, there are some artificial disasters causes in our country or all over the world. Last year we have seen that corona have damaged everything all over the world, health of people, after that economy of nation, after that everything. There is no anything which is running in a proper way. except share market. But there was a fall, very big fall in the share market. So why this fall had came in share market? There was a reason that all the businesses get collapsed. All companies were closed for some time. There was no any production, no any marketing, no any thing was there. So that all companies are in a loss. So that companies collected some money from the people who are the shareholder, uh, and that money was used for restarting of their production, power management, employees payment, raw material purchasing, all the processes, marketing, etc., etc. All these things are done in that period by collecting the shareholders amount, that is shareholders money used by companies to stand up again after this pandemic situation. And when these companies stand up in a very well, means that their production become regular, their marketing become regular, their all these things become regular, and so that that companies are coming also in a profit, huge profit. So in that situation, these companies raise their prices of their shares, so people also will get some profit from that. Suppose when market was collapsed due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, for example, Tata Motors share was, I had seen, at only 55 rupees. In the previous August, we were able to see that share of Tata Motors was only at a price of 55 rupees. Now currently you can see that the price have raised near about 6 times greater. Means that now currently we can see Tata share of Tata Motors reached at a price of 300 rupees within 1 year. So that company is releasing their profit to their clients or their investors, so that they will also get profit. Means that what happening wrong with that company, production is not proper, or marketing is not proper, there is no any demand, or demand is lowered in market, product demand is lowered. So we have to purchase the shares in this situation, because we will found that platinum point or platinum opportunity to purchase that shares of company. And when that company will start grow up, then we will after 2 to 3 months we will get near about 30 to 40 rupees profit per share in that particular share of particular company. In National Stock Exchange there is a index means 50 group of 50 companies which are authenticated by the Indian government, or SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, have authenticated that 50 companies are the best raised within a little time. So there is no any what we say, these companies are not dangerous. These companies are very comfortable to trade, and very good, better, or we can say best companies for long term, short term or long term investment, or we can say SIP investment. So that we have to trade or invest in these 50 companies particularly. So now we will discuss about what is a demat account, and who is the broker, and what is his work. So so many companies, and they give us a digital platform or digital account where we can see the share prices of all the companies, 4,500 companies. Make a easiest transaction between people and the companies. Suppose I want to purchase a share of Maruti Suzuki, but I am not able to go in a company and ask them to give me a share of your company, and I will pay for you for that share. I will give you some amount, and give me that share of your company. He is working as a joint pool between buyer and particular company, share buyer and particular company. So broker is working like that, and in this transaction, buying and selling, buying of share and selling of share, broker. So what is meant by intraday or one day trading? We are going to discussing these things in very deeply in our next seminar, but still I will give you some little information about this. When we will purchase some shares of company at the starting of share market at 9, when we will purchase any share today, and we will sell it out on the next day, or 2 days after, or 5 days after, or after a week, or after 15 days, or within a month, that is called as delivery trading. Interest, if we will keep our money in a bank as a safe deposit, FD, fixed deposit, then bank will give us 8 to 10% interest within 1 year. But share market is giving 1 to 3%, 8% profit within a week. If we will consider that we are getting 2% profit every day, so within 1 week we are taking near about 8 to 10% profit. Means that we are getting into huge profit. 1 to 2% is the biggest profit from share market, because bank is giving us only 8 to 10% profit within a year. bank using our money for 1 year and giving us only 8 to 10% profit for 1 year. But share market giving us 1 to 2% profit daily, means that within 1 week we can is going to say this type of benefit to us. We have to find out this type of strategies to become rich as much rich as possible earlier possible. So after that, what is mean by long term trading? So long term trading means that some company share price is at the bottom, we have to purchase and hold we have to hold it for 6 months. We will see that our share price will become twice or thrice, means that we will invest 1 lakh rupees in that sugar industry shares. After 6 months we will see the amount is 2 lakh or 3 lakh. This type of things happening in market, dropped down. But when summer season started, at that time the share prices of Simpany, Voltas, Bajaj Electricals, such types of company shares will get risen. Means that we have to invest in these type of seasonal companies. These are the seasonal companies, means that in a particular season, I think we have to stop here. Further all information we will cover in our next session or our next webinar. So we have to stop here. So thanks for attending this seminar. We will